In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timer in Miro. This is perfect for workshops, brainstorming sessions, or any time-boxed activity where you want to keep everyone focused and on track. I'll walk you through the exact interface you'll use, share a few practical tips, and make sure you know what to expect when the timer is running. Start by signing into your Miro account and opening the board where you'll be facilitating. Make sure you have edit access to that board so you can control facilitation features. If you're preparing for a meeting, it helps to have your frames and content laid out first so you can start the timer right when the activity begins. Look to the top right corner of your board for the Facilitation Tools icon. It looks like a small person inside a circle. This menu collects tools designed for guiding live sessions, and it's where the timer lives. Click that icon to open the facilitation menu. From the menu that appears, choose the timer option. This opens the timer interface directly on your board. You'll see a simple control panel with the time display, play controls, and options to tweak the countdown. Think of this as your control center during a workshop. Everything you need is in one compact spot. Set your duration using the plus and minus buttons, or type in the exact time if you already know how long you want, like 5 minutes for a quick silent brainstorming round or 10 minutes for a dot voting pass. A quick tip: pick a time that's firm but realistic. Short bursts tend to keep energy high without rushing participants too much. Before you start, you can select a built-in royalty-free music track to play during the countdown. This ambient sound can help signal focus time without you having to remind people. When you're ready, click the blue play button. The timer starts for everyone on the board, and collaborators will see the countdown. While it's running, you can pause if you need to give quick instructions, stop if you're done early, or add 1 or 5 minutes with a single click if the group needs just a little more time. At the end, expect a clear visual and audible cue so everyone knows time is up. A quick note on availability: the timer may be limited to upgraded plans or specific permissions in some workspaces. If you don't see the option, check your plan or ask your admin, but once it's enabled, the process is the same. That's it. With this timer, you'll keep sessions tight, productive, and stress-free. Try it on your next board and watch your facilitation get smoother.